The present focus are the four areas. First area is security, which is our existing, then storage, then we have a availability. So all, because everybody is talking about BCP, business continuity process. So your business should be available 24/7. So our focus on the same solution which will help you to make your business continue. And fourth area is the process automation. So we are using RFID barcode. So if you have a process which is taking longer time, so we'll cut down your time and make it automated. So that's the four focused areas in it. The solution, again I'll say, as I said, there are four pillars. The solution is around those pillars. Like if I talk about security, then from endpoint to gateway. If I talk about storage, then all primary storage solution, secondary storage solution, backup solution. So these are on storage part. If I talk about BCP, so more into the DR kind of solution or making primary and secondary kind of solution, host replications, SAN replication, those kind of solution. Fourth R is process automation. As I said, we are using RFID and the barcode. So we created our own framework, which is called Process Automation Framework, PAF. On that PAF, we are giving different solutions. It could be an tire management solution, it could be an IT asset management solution, it could be a yard management or a parking management kind of solution, or reducing the turnaround time. So these are the different solutions which we developed on our PAF. Almost all the verticals have potentials. Right now we are working with government, we are working with education, we are working with healthcare, IT, ITS, BFSI, telecom. So we covered all the verticals what we have. As I said, we are focused with our customers, we are focused with our OEMs. So relationship is key within effort. And the services, again, which is very critical for us. As I said, right, we focus our customers, right? So we met before start of the financial year. We met with different OEMs. We take their mind share. So what is their mind share for next financial year? They say our target is this. We have to focus these customers. So we say, okay, whatever is your 5% or 10%, which you can share with us, and your revenue share with us. Then we'll take the same set of customers to the second OEM, third OEM. So we have the same kind of customers, but OEMs are different. So our efforts are less and the results are more. So that's our approach. Definitely, government have challenges in terms of the pre-qualification criteria and the tender. They have the challenges in terms of their mindset, what the customer have. So what we do when we approach with an OEM, so our approach is like a consultant. We say we are a consultant for you. We are coming up with a solution. We are not coming up with a product. You tell us what are your challenges in your business, and accordingly we will give the solution. The services, as I said, are the secondary part. For us, the product is not an important part. For us, the solution and services is the critical part. Growth is coming, as I said, the relationship is key for us. So growth is coming, the product revenue is growing because of the relationship. The services revenue is growing, and the solution revenue is growing. We always, as I said, it's difficult to make a new customer, but easy to retain your existing customers. So we upsell the products, we upsell the solution. We got reference from the customers, we got reference from the OEMs. We focus on those references and we grow year on year. I'll say 25% is coming from the government and education, 10 to 15% comes from the healthcare, 20% comes from the manufacturing, almost 15% comes from the IT, ITS, and the balance from the other verticals. Our expansion plan is, right now we are targeting to this geographic area only. So our first target to come and a turnover around 70-75 crore. Then we'll look for the other geography, could be the west region or the south region, or might be the international market. Today we have been catering those customers also, but while sitting in Delhi only. If required, my engineers can fly there, supporting them. We have done projects in Bhubaneswar, we have done projects in Chennai, Bangalore. If I'll say international, we have done projects in UK, we have done projects in Brazil, Japan, Bangladesh, Afghanistan. In different countries we have done. So as and when the requirements come, we give the solution. Fortunately, technology is moving so fast and so advanced that while sitting in one location, you can support the customer at any location. our basic role is being as a leader, right, to grow the revenue. That is the first target. We grow the individual member within the organization, because we want, if the company is growing, all the members will grow along with the company. Third, creating a brand in the market. They'll take it as a service provider and a solution provider, not as a box pusher. So our role is to make that brand in the market. Today our focus vendors are EMC, Checkpoint, Fortinet, Riverbed. So these are our focus vendors. Then the requirement come and we give the solution accordingly. As I said, process automation is our focused area where we have developed our own software solutions we are giving to the customers.